The materials you'll need to make your fabric colored alligator clip are 4 inches of 3/8 inch ribbon, whatever color matches your bow, 1 alligator clip, and 1 hot glue gun. We're going to put a thin strip of hot glue on our 3/8 inch ribbon, and we're going to attach it to the bottom side of the top of the alligator clip. While the glue is still drying, you can make sure you're center. Once the glue's dry, you're set. Then we want to put another strip of glue and attach that strip to the top side of the alligator clip. We're going to press and hold until your glue is dry. The good thing about hot glue is it peels away really easily. So if you have any excess, you can just peel it away. We're going to put glue on the last bit of our ribbon. We're going to fold it over and attach it to the bottom side of the alligator clip. Some people will go all the way around the bottom. I prefer to stay with the bottom of the alligator clip exposed because in my little girl's hair, it's much easier to get the bow in and out if I have the alligator clip exposed. That's it.